everyone. Welcome back to Grow Your English Daily. I'm Emily, and I'm super excited for today's episode.
And I'm John, your English teacher. It's great to have you all here. Emily, have you ever felt a little nervous when you travel, especially when you're in a new country and you need to speak English at the airport?
Oh, absolutely, John. It can be a bit overwhelming, right? All those signs, the questions people ask you. Sometimes I just wish I knew all the right words and phrases beforehand.
Exactly. And that's exactly why we're here today. In this episode, we're going to make your airport experience much easier. We're talking about at the airport, all the travel and security English you need to know for your next trip. This is perfect for our A1 and A2 beginner learners, so get ready to learn some really useful phrases.
That sounds amazing. Before we dive in, a quick reminder to please like this episode, leave a comment if you have a question, share it with your friends, and, of course, subscribe to Grow Your English Daily so you don't miss any of our lessons. Your support really helps us.
Absolutely. We love hearing from you. So, Emily, let's imagine we're going on a trip. We've packed our bags, we've got our passport. What's the very first thing we do when we arrive at the airport?
The first thing. I think we need to check in, right? That's where you get your ticket.
You're spot on, Emily. The first step is to check in. You'll go to the check-in counter for your airline. There, you'll show your passport, that's your official travel document, and your ticket or e-ticket confirmation. The person working there will give you a boarding pass. This is a very important paper or digital card that shows your name, your flight number, your seat number, and the gate where you'll get on the plane.
Okay, so check-in counter and boarding pass. Got it. And what about bags? My suitcase is usually quite big.
Good question. That big suitcase is called checked baggage or luggage. You give it to the airline staff at the check-in counter, and they put it in the plane's storage area. You won't see it again until you arrive at your destination. But what about a smaller bag, like a backpack or a small suitcase you take with you onto the plane?
Ah, that's a carry-on bag, isn't it? You take that one with you inside the airplane.
Perfect, Emily. It's also sometimes called hand luggage. Remember, there are rules for the size and weight of carry-on bags. You put them in the overhead compartment above your seat or under the seat in front of you. So, to recap, passport, ticket, boarding pass, check-in counter, checked baggage, and carry-on bag. These are essential.
Those are super useful words already. So after we check in and drop off our big bags, what's next? I always feel like this part is a bit tricky.
You're talking about security check, aren't you? This is where they make sure everyone is safe to fly. You'll go through a security checkpoint. The officers there will ask you to put your carry-on bag, your laptop, and sometimes your shoes and coat into plastic trays. These trays then go through an X-ray machine to be scanned.
Oh, right. And then you walk through that big archway, the metal detector, I think it's called?
That's it, the metal detector. If it beeps, it means you might have something metal on you, and a security officer might need to check you with a handheld wand or ask you to step aside for a pat-down. Important phrases here are, please take out your liquids and electronics, please remove your shoes and belt, and empty your pockets, please.
So many instructions. What if I forget to take my laptop out? Will I be in trouble?
Don't worry, Emily. They're usually very understanding. They'll just ask you to go back and do it again. The key is to listen carefully to the security officers. They are there to help ensure everyone's safety. And remember the rule for liquids: small containers, usually 100 milliliters or less, and they need to be in a clear, plastic, resealable bag.
Okay, so liquids in a clear bag, laptop out, shoes off. Got it. Phew. After we pass the security check, what's the next step? We have our boarding pass now.
Great question. After security, you look at your boarding pass for your gate number. This is the specific area in the airport where your plane will be. You'll follow the signs to your gate. Once you find your gate, you'll see a waiting area with seats and maybe some shops or restaurants. You'll wait there until it's time to board your plane.
So, gate number and waiting area. What does board mean exactly?
To board means to get on the airplane. They will usually announce, "Now boarding flight number," your flight number, to your destination. They might also announce "Final call," which means the plane is about to leave, so hurry up. And don't forget duty-free shops at the airport, where you can buy things without paying some taxes.
Ah, duty-free is always nice. So, we're on the plane now. What should we know once we're actually inside?
Once you're on the plane, you'll find your seat number on your boarding pass and match it to the seats. You'll put your carry-on in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Before takeoff, a flight attendant, that's the person who helps passengers on the plane, will ask you to fasten your seatbelt. They will also explain safety rules.
And if I need something during the flight, like water, what can I say?
You can say, "Excuse me, could I have some water, please?" Or, "Could you please help me with my seatbelt?" If you need to use the restroom, which is the toilet on the plane, you can ask, "Where is the restroom?" or just follow the signs. Remember to be polite. Use please and thank you.
These phrases are so helpful, John. I feel much more confident already. So we've covered checking in, going through security, finding our gate, and even what to say on the plane. This has been a fantastic lesson.
I'm glad to hear that, Emily. It's all about breaking it down into simple steps. Remember, practice these words and phrases. Say them out loud. Imagine yourself at the airport. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Absolutely. We really hope this episode on At the Airport has helped you feel more prepared for your next adventure. English for travel and security is super important, and now you have a great start.
That's right. Keep growing your English daily with us. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode for more exciting English lessons. Safe travels.
Bye, everyone. Practice makes perfect.